Hello YouTube, this is TFB here, and today we're going to be doing the Speak Out Challenge, Kids versus Parents. So yeah, I guess we're going to open this up, and I guess these guys are supposed to be the parents and we're going to be the kids, and we're going to do this jank. So I guess let's open this. It pretty much just has a bunch of plastic wrap on it. Okay guys, we now have this open, and now I'm going to introduce everybody. We have Cuzin Scooter, M, BLT, and BeBe. So, I guess let's open this. Alright guys, so we have the packets of mouth guards, and then we have some of these cards. We have
This is like 1980 style.
Yeah, we have like this little timer, and we have the instructions.
You know which ones are the adult ones? Or?
I think it says it on the bag actually. We use this as like where to place the cards.
Oh man.
Yeah, you can open those. I don't know what this says, if these are kids or adults. I'm pretty sure these are adults and these are kids. These are definitely the kids ones.
Those look like demented pacifiers on the cover. It really does.
So I think these are the kids, and here's some plastic.
Hey, plastic. Wait, do we need no instructions?
I'm pretty sure it's just.
How do you do this?
Okay, so jeez.
Something about that.
Sorry, we're at the dentist.
Wait, what do you do?
Alright, I'm just gonna put it in. Like,
These look like demented pacifiers.
okay.
These are the kids' cars. These are the kids.
Hey.
Those are the kids' cars.
I think these are too small.
I think we should
Yeah, the adult ones.
I guess like you see. I can't.
well
Oh God.
No,
can't.
those are for me. I get
Everyone. I'm doing a logical thing and wait until the game starts. Okay, so let's start the game actually.
Yeah, so alright, so this is the kids pile and that's the adults pile, so
How do you win?
so how do you win? You have, as long as you say the cards right, you put it in a little pile, and whoever has the most cards in a pile wins.
How do we know you say right? Do we show it? Do we
Yeah,
show
we-
it to
we
everybody
know.
else?
Yeah, we all like listen in and we all think if you have it right or not. It's like a vote. Oh. Jesus. Okay, so yeah, let's just do this. Okay, so and then you have a timer too to say it. So yeah.
Wait, instructions?
Yeah, I already read them.
Oh.
Yeah, so we don't need them.
I can see them on the computer.
All right, so let's let's start these. Where's the other pile?
Put down on that side so we don't see what you're.
Hey, I did it. I see it on mine.
I don't know what you're saying.
This is already a good game.
On the other side.
Here, let me
Put the box on the floor.
Okay.
But what are we gonna put so we don't see what card they draw? You can clearly see what the.
Yeah, you have to
How about
guess.
this?
Just like
We
put it
what
behind the
the?
box.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
yeah, let's do that. Just put it.
Oh, you're supposed to turn them
Yeah.
over and read it.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoops.
So
Wait,
you don't see what card.
You have to
they
turn it
draw.
over? Alright, so, do you guys want to go first, or?
Y'all go first.
Okay, so, alright, so when I put this in,
Okay.
alright, so,
That really hurts my
Here's
lips.
your turn.
Oh,
What?
God.
We're not going yet. We gotta get
it's,
to their
yeah, I'm starting right now.
God, that hurts my lips. Let her out.
Say it.
Squirrel.
Wait, we need to set it.
Kites kids have rights?
have little lights?
Yeah.
Really? What?
Wait. What did you say? You'd forfeit all your desserts
Yeah,
to me for a week?
You got it. It was
Pugs?
pugs. Pugs have little light.
No.
Pugs.
Tints.
Tits? Wait. What is that you say? You forfeit all your desserts to me for a week?
Pugs.
Tints.
Tins.
Tits.
Tints.
Tints.
Time's up.
What was
Pugs pinch little bites.
What?
You,
I thought you said tits.
I was trying to say pinch, but you can't close your mouth and say pee. So I had to go eat. I had to go eat.
Alright, your turn, Matt. Oh, God.
Alright, let's just flip this one over.
No, you can't see it. Darn it! So I couldn't guess the whole entire time, because... Okay.
Yeah, because it's kid first.
Alright, are you...
Here. Hold on, he's got to...
I can't read this. It's in Spanish.
Put that down.
Oh, darn it. Yeah. Alright. No, read. Okay.
Alright.
Oh. Oh, shoot. Darn it. Ah.
Why don't you put the card down?
Ah. Oh, wait, it's backwards.
Yeah.
Put it right here. Nobody can see it.
Ah. Except for you.
Come on now, come on.
I know it's them versus us. It's not.
Oh, yeah.
So it's us two against y'all three?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You're kidding, Emily.
Oh, God.
No, I'm about to flip it over when you put it in.
Yeah, so you can...
Alright, you ready?
Alright, right here. Let's go.
What? Sounds like a laughing like grandpa like son. Oh god. Oh god.
Do we have any napkins?
Dan, come on, go get napkins.
It's way too big for my mouth.
Yeah, your lips.
I know I told
Here,
I was told I have a big mouth, but this is too much.
Yeah, Maddox, your lips split.
Silly voices make everything fun.
Silly voices make everything fun.
Yep, that's one. That's one for us.
Yeah.
Wait, but wouldn't that be
No,
a point
but
for
not
us?
for us.
Oh, it is a point for you guys.
Yeah.
All right, so the timer. Let me turn this one.
Oh, so 2 and 2.
All right, so yeah, do your part.
Oh, gee. It looks like a
Go.
carnival or something. Like, oh, God. It's just like in the camera.
No. All right, ready? Yeah. Go. Gracias. Do you see the car?
Stop
Do you
singing
see-
Japanese.
I hear. I'm relaxing.
I cannot see.
You're a Nazi?
I do not see the car.
I do not see the car. I do not see the
I'm
car.
still allowed to get
Time's up.
It sounds like so.
What was it? What was it?
Da da da.
I've been waxing the convertible for 50 minutes.
Oh, geez, that would be hard. Yeah, you got the hard ones.
That was
All right, BLT just went, and so BeBe, you go. He's snorting. Yeah, all right.
Oh wait, we're not supposed to guess. Me and you aren't supposed to.
3, 2, 1, go.
Would?
Yeah.
Would you?
Time's up. Time's up.
I don't know. Would your frenemy like to stay for supper?
Oh, okay. So that'd be hard. Okay, so it's back to me again.
She's not worried all fun, man.
Alright, it's back to me again. Alright. I think it's backwards, wait.
No,
No,
it's
it's
not.
yeah, it's fine. There you
Wait, TFB, smile for camera.
Okay,
For the camera.
a few more minutes. Okay, a few more minutes in the
A few more minutes.
runner's end.
In the
A few more minutes in the
Yeah,
water.
yeah, you got that.
Jeez, that's quick.
That was quick, good job.
Yeah.
That's 2 points for them. Alright, Em, your turn.
Oh, jeez.
You guessed that quick. I'm gonna have to let that time go down.
Oh, yeah, hold on.
Yep.
We're gonna make this one.
Jeez.
Wait, so will I still be able to guess what they're trying to say and laugh at them? Yay.
Just trying to be like super loud.
Yeah. That doesn't make it go faster.
It does in my mind.
Sound constipated.
Someone is almost done. Look at that. Okay, you ready? All right, let's go.
Frustration.
Big,
Big
bass,
bass,
fish,
fish,
float,
float,
feverishly.
furiously, feverishly, feverishly.
Feverishly.
Not at all, not at all.
Fearlessly.
Fever.
Feverlessly. Feverlessly.
Fever.
Feather? Or Caesar.
Feeder. Feeder salad.
Yeah. Salad.
Fearlessly.
Carelessly.
Feverishly.
Caesarlessly.
Fever.
Caesarlessly. Feverlessly.
Feverishly.
Fever-ishy. Yes. Yes. Oh, that was
Feverishly.
BeBe,
You got it, you got it.
Pop out your mouth and pee. Wait, what did we?
You got it.
Big bass feverishly. We said that like 5 times.
You said feverishly.
Oh,
Yeah. That was so horrible with grammar.
That was so. Alright, you guys turn. Alright.
Oh,
Okay,
do
kinda
that
laugh.
one.
In 3, get your card. In 3, 2, 1.
I eat her.
I ate her.
My hair.
I eat her.
I eat her.
My ear.
I eat her.
My teeth.
Say it.
Keep eating. And it's like eating nuts. I eat her kids eat her and it's like eating nuts.
My ear hurts.
I eat her.
I eat her.
I
I like.
My teeth hurt.
Wait, who's that?
Your teeth hurt. Your ears hurt.
My ear. That's time.
My beeper keeps beeping and it's making me nut.
I knew you said nuts at the end.
Oh god.
I think we need it easier.
Okay.
I eat her. I eat her. Probably is, just we didn't look at the directions. Directions.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Riding a kite.
Riding a kite. I.
You're like a bunny.
Like a booty.
Ride
Ride the Kanye? You gotta wait.
No. Ride the Kanye
Ride the car racer. Ride the car racer.
And we got another spinner.
Wait, Wait, do you know what you can't do that would please all of us?
Ride the Kanye Ride
Just be quiet. Ride the Kanye car, please. No.
the Kanye
Say it faster and more angrily. Don't help.
Ride the Kanye to the road, please.
Ride the car to the road, please.
Ride the Kanye to the road.
Ride the car.
Time.
Time. Dude.
Bribe the kind babysitter from Rome. please.
Kanye.
What? That's why I kept saying Kanye. No, didn't you say bribe at one point?
No, it's a ride.
I don't think I did. All right, guys. So
3-0.
this
What
score.
did you say? What was yours?
Bribe the kind babysitter from Rome.
All right, guys. So the adults win 3-0. I don't know if we played this right at all, but whatever.
I know it. We didn't. We probably didn't.
All right, so yeah, guys. Special thanks to Cuzin Scooter,
Whoop.
BLT, and BeBe for helping us out on this video. So yeah, guys. Bye, you two.